Most of the times, I wonder why, like some of us think that we always need weighing scale on our farm to be able to formulate feed. Though weighing scale is very important equipment to have on the farm for accuracy in terms of measuring this feed. If the sole purpose of having the weighing scale on the farm is just for feed formulation, then I don't think you really need the weighing scale on the farm. But if maybe you want to use the weighing scale to determine the weight of your pigs, fine, you must get it. But for feed alone, it shouldn't be an excuse to why you are not able to formulate or measure accurately what you need to give to your animals. This is what you do. Let's say you want to formulate feed for your pigs or a group of pigs, and you have them like in the grower phase, which you want to measure 60% of maize or corn. With the 60%, let's say you want to measure 10 bowls. Okay. No, you want to 100 kg of feed for the animals. Now that you want to formulate maize alone or the corn, 60%. You only take, maybe you have a bowl or a cup or even a bucket that weighs 1 kg. But when it is full, maybe when it is full, it weighs 10 kg. If the feed is full, if you put corn in it and it is full to the brim, it is 10 kg. What you can do with the 60% is you measure 6 of it. Let's say you want to have a 100 kg. You only measure 6 of the corn and put it aside. Then if maybe you want soya like 25, you measure also 2.5 of the same bowl. You don't change the bowl. The same bowl you have or you are using for the measurement, use the same bowl throughout. You measure if soybeans to like 25%, you measure 2.5 of the bowl, add it. If let's say you also have wheat bran, where you want to also add 10% of it, you only measure 1 of the bowl, you add it to the feed. You do that until you're able to get all the feed you will need before you mix it, and then you go to grind them into powder and then supply to your animals. You don't really need weighing scale for feed formulation alone. Just get a standard bowl such that you know that this, if I measure full of it, maybe 10 corn and then 3 soybean, 2 wheat bran, just know it in that way. So 10% of wheat bran, we should give you 1 of the bowl if the bowl and its content weigh 10 kg. Just put that one aside. The corn, 60%, you measure 6 of it, you add it to that, and then you go to your soybean, 25 or 30%, you measure, if it is 25, you measure 2.5 of the bowl and put it, add it to the already measured one. Or if it is 30% of the soya you want also, that one you include 3 of the same bowl and add it to the corn and the other wheat bran you have on the farm. Simple, and then you mix them together. You don't necessarily need a weighing scale. I know people, they say they want to get all the equipment before they start formulating their own feed. Meanwhile, they have buckets on their farm, they have bowls they use on their farm. Okay, so just do that.